After you submit the transfer form, the next tab, which is the Seller tab, will open. Here, you'll enter the seller's details. On the left side, there's a button to open the camera so you can take pictures if your system is connected to a webcam. On the right side, there's a form where you add the seller's details. The first field here is the Seller Select field, where you can choose the seller by typing their member ID or member name. Once you select the member, the fields for father's name, address, phone number, and plot details will automatically fill based on the selected member. Next, there are 4 fields where you upload images. 1 for the ID card front, 1 for the ID card back, and 2 for the seller's right and left thumbprints. After uploading, you click Save and Next to submit the form. After submitting the seller form, the next tab, which is the Buyer tab, will open. Below the tabs, there will be a section showing transfer details where you can input the transfer date, time, fee, and plot details. On the left side of this form, there's a button to open the camera for taking pictures if your system is connected to a webcam. On the right side, there's a form starting with the buyer's name input field where you add the buyer's name. Next, there's the buyer's CNIC input field where you add the buyer's CNIC number. Then, there's a field for husband or father's name where you add that information, followed by the address field and the phone number field. After that, there are 4 fields for uploading images, 1 for the ID card front, 1 for the ID card back, and 2 for the buyer's right and left thumbprints. Once you upload the images, you click Save and Next to submit the form.